talk about macular degeneration. Macular degeneration causes vision loss in the center of the eye. Why macular degeneration? That's a good question. The reason why I chose this topic was because most of my family suffer from this disease, and I was curious and wanted to research more about it. First, some background information on macular degeneration. It was discovered by a German ophthalmologist by the name of Karl Stargardt, and it was first reported in 1901 during one of his experiments.
There are two genes that increase the risks of having macular degeneration. These genes are called the complement and the ARMS2/HTRA. The complement is an arm of the immune system that attacks invading bacteria. It is a series of proteins that recognize the bacteria as foreign, then initiate a cascade of events that poke holes in bacterial membranes and recruits white blood cells to kill them. The complement can sometimes inappropriately target our own cells. This can include the retina. Among the complement genes, complement factor H confers the greatest macular degeneration risk. While the ARMS2/HTRA gene is the subject of intensive research, the role of these genes in macular degeneration is not yet understood. The picture shown demonstrates how early macular degeneration looks. It is diagnosed by the presence of medium-sized drusen, which are about the width of an average human hair. People with early macular degeneration typically do not have vision loss. This last image shows late macular degeneration. In addition to drusen, people with late macular degeneration have vision loss from damage to the macula. There are two types of late macular degeneration. The first type of macular degeneration is called geographic atrophy, also known as dry macular degeneration. It is a gradual breakdown of the light-sensitive cells in the macula that convey visual information to the brain, and of the supporting tissue beneath the macula. These changes cause vision loss. The second type is called neovascular macular degeneration, also known as wet macular degeneration. Abnormal blood vessels grow underneath the retina. These vessels can leak fluid and blood, which may lead to swelling and damage of the macula. The damage may be rapid and severe, unlike the more gradual course of geographic atrophy. It is possible to have both geographic atrophy and neovascular macular degeneration in the same eye, and either condition can appear first. And now, some statistics. Macular degeneration is the leading cause of vision loss for people older than 50. Also, smoking doubles the risks of having macular degeneration. It also accounts for approximately 11.7% of legally defined blindness in the United States.
Some treatments that can help slow down or reduce the chances of having macular degeneration range from Lucentis, Macugen, Eylea.
Research shows that you can inject a certain compound called AAQ into the eyes of a blind mouse, whose photoreceptors have actually died, and it will behave like it can see. It reacts to bright light, its pupils dilate and shrink, and it tries to navigate using its eyes. In addition, to learn about the way vision nerves grow, scientists crushed the optic nerve in one eye of mice. With this AAQ injection, scientists will be able to test on various animals one step at a time with one animal at a time, which will eventually lead to a cure for macular degeneration in humans.